that word that I'm trying to remember, and you know my bahasa Indonesian is not that good.
Sampurasun.
Sampurasun.
Yes.
I hope you like these videos. Please like and subscribe and comment at the bottom. Thank you very much. Hatur Nuhun. He in the video with the cowboy hat on.
Tergaduh.
Eta aya nu di topi cowboy cenah akang sanes.
In one of your videos.
Yes,
Yeah.
of course, of course.
Yeah.
Aya totopong rek diangge.
And he is part of the leader of the group.
Yeah.
Yes, or leader of the group.
Yes.
Yeah, that team.
Yes.
The whole group. I'm ready, honey. Whatever.
Okay, sok siap cenah.
Siap.
My heart will go on. Okay.
Go on.
Yes.
For song, my heart will go on.
I recognize the song from many movies. It's an older tradition. It's a song. What's the title, honey?
Titanic. Oh,
Titanic.
My heart will go on.
Yeah. I recognize the song.
So it's a local clarinet. It can play any kind of song. Indonesian, Sudanese, Western.
Saying that it can't?
Can.
Yes. Tell him I'm listening.
English.
Very talented. Very good.
Nah mahada ya anu. Asana.
What
So what do you think about that song? About the music?
the song I like, the music from his clarinet, he's very good. What I'm most impressed with is that he made that.
Yeah, the most important. Ya, yang paling dia bangga sekali adalah alatnya bikin sendiri.
Thank you.
I mean, the music is good, yes. But the clarinet and you make that song really good and special. The song I've heard in movies, but to see a homemade clarinet from Sumedang, bagus.
Hatur Nuhun.
Yes.
Dengan bisa malah Hatur Nuhun korban orang. Inti nama lah menurut aku gitu moalnya orang-orang Sunda kasebut anu lamun teu anu bogana resep dengan memulai biraku gitu seperti mister orang luar
Ya.
merasa apresiasi gitu yang bagus terhadap seni-seni orang. Biraku komo orang kudu lebih gitu. Kreasi-kreasi orang kudu merasa dibanggakan. Jadi intinya mah hatur nuhun, hatur nuhun pisan gitu.
Yeah. And so he was saying,
Yeah, he was saying, you are foreigner, but you like Indonesian, you proud Indonesian music, culture, and everything. We Indonesian have to be more proud of ours.
and all of that, and that's part of why I was saying we want to talk about that commercial. I'd like also Indonesians to be proud, but I am most proud of my wife. That's what keeps me in Indonesia. But she's part Sundanese. She is Indonesian. I love all of Sumedang. This is custom made. This is not going to the store and buying it. This is quality. You can go to the store and buy a good clarinet for a lot of money. But and I could pay to go to a concert for a great clarinet player, but it's not as good as sitting in my backyard listening to Sundanese on homemade clarinet.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is better than the movie. This is better than the concert.
No, Leo,
At the theater.
Leo.
This is good.
Nama inti nama hatur nuhun pisan.
Sami-sami.
Hatur nuhun pisan. Oh jantan. Makanya bingung ngejelaskan itu. Udah bahasa Indonesia ambilnya?
Dana naon?
You forget how to speak Bahasa Indonesian?
Oh yes. I speak bahasa.
Yeah, no,
Bahasa
I say,
naon? Bahasa naon?
did he forget?
Alhamdulillah ya. Tadi Kang Oyok bersama Mr Steave udah bikin suatu reaction. Yang intinya ya memang setiap kebudayaan memang ada nilai-nilai yang tertentu. Tapi alhamdulillah di sini Mr Steave memberikan apresiasi yang sangat bagus terhadap seniman yang ada di Sumedang, ya khususnya untuk musik seni tanji, Kuda Renggong. Jadi intinya harus bangga sama budayaan yang ada di lingkungan ataupun di kota kalian masing-masing. Karena kalau kata orang Sunda mah, dina budaya urang napak, dina budaya urang ngapak. Orang Sunda hebat lah.
Hatur Nuhun.
Yeah.
That was good. That was good.
My heart will go on.
Ngopi dulu, ngopi.
Kopi dulu.
Yes, good. Me too.
Black mana teh? Black kopi.
Black kopi.